Good afternoon, all. I welcome to this one-day national workshop on applied mathematics and career opportunities, jointly organized by Ferguson College and ESGRG Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Paranda. Respected Principal Dr. Mrs. D.D. Savade Madam, Professor R.G. Pardeshi Sir, the coordinator of this workshop, Dr. Vidyadhar Nalawade, and Manish Aglabe. Other resource persons, Professor S.A. Khatri, Dr. R.D. Holkar, Dr. H.R. Bhavkar, and dear all participants. Today in this workshop, from the morning sessions, you have studied about the Hermite polynomials, eigenvalues, and pragmatic approach of mathematics in pandemic period. The lots of applications have been discussed in this previous lecture. So how one can do a career in mathematics, how maths can change your life, that I want to explore over here. So how maths can change your life, which can become an exciting career opportunities in mathematics. Now, first of all, I will explain just the common psychology of the people, common people, what people thinks about mathematics. So these are the some common views about mathematics from the peoples, that mathematics is very hard, mathematics is very boring subjects, maths has nothing to do with this real life applications. And one can see, you compare with your college maths teacher and with other teachers, and you feel, always students feel that the mathematics teachers are very mad. But the subject, due to subject involvement in the subject of teachers, the teacher become so. So people are think that all mathematicians are not mad, which is not correct. But I will show by next 4 or 5 slides how mathematics is important in real life. I will explain just 2 or 3 applications, and then we'll explore about what are the career aspects after your undergraduate course of mathematics and postgraduate course of mathematics, like research, teaching industry, all those things can be explained. So just listen carefully. So this is the first application of mathematics. Why I want to tell this. The people think that what is the use of this cos theta, sin theta? What is use of this algebra? What is use of linear algebra? Where the sequence and all those things are used? Where the differential comes in the pictures? So all there are, you have to sort out and find out the applications of this. So in the forensic science department nowadays, the differential equations such as linear algebra, coding theory, matrices have been used for the forensic science department. So this is just an example to explain you so how a maths and the detection of crime is related. So deblurring, the some blurred image number plate, how the blurred image number plate can be clear it by using the mathematics formula. So it's I have to tell the short crime story that some robber had robs the bank. He stole the money from the bank, and he escaped in a gateway car, some gateway, and it was pursued by some police, but he didn't catch it up. And there are two news. One is good news and another is bad news. The police took photo of that event, that car, but bad news is that the photo is not clear. You can see in the image, the photo is just blur. Now here mathematics comes into picture. Not only mathematics, you have to do applied mathematics with some sort of software also you need to apply. So whatever, now we cannot read what is there. We have to decode this image. So there are applications of linear algebra, your integral calculus, all those things are involved here. So how it can be done? This is not my work. I'm just sharing that some people ask where the maths is used. Maths is used by the cyber security cell. Maths is used by your ATM card. You can see on every book there is a barcode. The number theory mathematics is involved. Once you scan the barcode, you will get all the details of that. QR codes are also there. So lots of linear algebra coding theory parts are involved there. But I will just explain these two applications. So how solutions can come? So we have to find the model for blurring process. Some image is there and we have to clear that image. So we require correct blurring function in that image. So this is your original image, and this function is applied with this image with the help of software. And the blurred image will come. You'll result this H as an answer. So this is the blurring formula. In fact, this it's a two variable double integration it is. So understood this d2y as dx and dy. So by inversion formula, we can get rid of this blur image. But once one should know what is the blurring functions. By trial and error for the help of software, we can do it. So this is in fact your F. This is the inversion formula, and whatever image that taken by that person, so this image can be read. This is h of x. This is an example of image processing. We can use MATLAB or any other softwares for image processing are available. So in this way, this mathematics is widely used by forensic service department. Some fingerprints, thumb impressions, all everywhere the mathematics is involved. Not only mathematics, other parts are also there, but it is involved there. Another applications I can tell you about of differential equations. You heard about the Newton's law of cooling, that is first order linear differential equations. Some story also I can tell you. Suppose that some murder attempt has been attended by some time, and we want to calculate the exact that post-mortem report, how that exact time of that date of the person is calculated. So whatever time the investigation team goes there, at that time room temperature is calculated, the temperature of body is calculated, and just rate of that temperature body is calculated. And with the rate of change of in the body temperature, the exact time of death, or you can say approximate time, near about, there may be slight different, but we can the person saying that during this and this time the death is happened. So like that, in forensic science peoples are using the mathematics. So if you go on searching the application of all, even algebra is also applied in coding theory part. Coding theory codes are used. Those codes are used in cryptography. Cryptography is applied for the secure communication. So everywhere mathematics is applied, but we need some sort of software knowledge also along with this. So I want to explain what about career, how to career development, how to choose career, and how to focus on career, and what are the career opportunities after your undergraduate course of mathematics. So let me define first what is a career. Some of the people saying that career means satisfaction. Some may be compared with that career with money. But your career can be paid or unpaid version. It depends on what you get satisfactions. So mathematics point of view, I can clearly define. I have three definitions. There may be many more definitions. The career is defined as the sequence and variety of occupations. It is just sequence, day to day. You have to make a strategic plan about 1 year, 2 year, where at what positions, next year, where will I am, what I have to do, and the path and all. This is the sequence and variety of occupation. Some may think in terms of paid, some like social workers maybe think in terms of unpaid. So finally, all means your satisfaction. So, and this process will be throughout your lifespan. Career can also define as the program, whatever program you want to do, and you have to take action plan against that program. And this will done throughout the life. It's not like that I have achieved this portion, I don't want to do nothing. You have, if you get some steps, think about more steps, and likewise you can progress your life. The career describes an individual journey. It is, in fact, it is individual journey, and who can learn through their experience, work, and other aspects of life. So this is just definition of career. People may think people may say that career is directly proportional to the money, or career is directly proportional to your satisfaction. There are kinds of people. So how to choose career? Choosing career is also very important. How one can choose this career. So in this, the career planning is deliberate process of knowing who you are. We have to find self, who I am. I don't know about anything about electrical, and I want to do career in the electrical. I cannot do that. I don't know about anything mathematics. I don't have affection with that subject. And if I want to do, somebody saying that do that career. So first know yourself. In the planning, first know yourself so that you can decide where you want to go, and once you decide where you want to go, what you want to be at some particular point, that is, after 5 years I will become so and so, after 10 years I will become so and so. So in that way you have to plan your career. So Career development is the process of managing life, learning and work over the lifespan. This is just process of you are managing life. That is you are thinking of in terms of your satisfaction. If you think in terms of paid, then you can think like money also. And there are following four steps are the process of career development. Once is self-assessment. I already told you that if just whatever interest you have, suppose somebody wants to become writer, and he is good writer. That's also depends a good kind of career. But he wants to become writer, and people are asking him that do mathematics, there is career. People asking that do engineering, there is career. So self-assessment is very important. It is inside yourself, and you are the judge of that, what you want to do. So focus on inside and judge who you are and do what you want to be. That is the self-assessment. Then career expression, it is outside. If somebody is chosen the career as doing MSc Physics, MA or some MSc Electronics, and here you should not affect by external factors. So why you are doing this? It is not demand. Don't think about demand at all. What your interest, you just focus on that interest and do career in that. So it is outside. Be firm what you want to be inside. Whatever you are decided inside, be firm on that. Don't get affected by the external any suggestions. Then decision making is also very important. It is just closer look. Whatever you experience in the self-assessment for and career explorations, whatever you express in the self-assessment and career expression, do correct decision. If you are decided in the BSc first year that I want to do MSc Mathematics, and by the third year, don't change your mind. You are, because already 2 years you have been wasted. So whatever you have decided, decide properly. That is, decision making is also very important at particular time. And what we have to do actions. Although you once somebody has decided that I want to do MSc Mathematics, somebody decided I want to do UPSC, somebody I want to CDS, and not taking any action towards that. So whatever you have decided to pursue career, take action to do it. That is very important. Now we'll discussing what is there after BSc Mathematics. Somebody have BA Mathematics also. So as natural mathematics comes, the very first thing comes that teaching is option. We can house the competitive examinations. Somebody wants to higher studies in abroad or in India and do the research, MS, PhD, all those things. There are other opportunities in IT sector like TCS, Wipros, one have teaching industries like Byju's, Vedantus. There are many more industries like this. Nowadays they are hiring for some things, for writer, for mentor, for teacher. If you are good in animations, you can prepare video, then you can also have a good kind of job in the IT sector also. And recently the data science career is there. Data is whatever data we have to analyze is. When we have to analyze the data, you must be good statisticians. To good statisticians, you must have the mathematics background. So data science career, the statistics and mathematics people have scope to do career in the data science. So teaching, there are three options of the teaching. Just I have told you the school. Nowadays, CBSE schools are hiring the peoples with good packages. If you are good enough in teaching, if students are satisfied by you, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all CBSE, whatever CBSE school, the elementary mathematics, you express it well. For that, you need to do B.Ed 2 years course. And if you select the NRF ranking educational course, you may have placement in India or always as abroad to teach the students of intermediate levels. And people are offering 40 to 50, 60,000, depends on the institutes. You may get more than the government scale in particular schools, but you should be a good teacher in that. One can become the college teacher. How college teacher, I'll just explain in the next slide. And we can join the professional teaching at coaching. Whatever subject, there is no basic qualification for that. If you are a good teacher, just teach. The people will automatically attracted towards you. So to become school teachers, If you enter nowadays, NRF ranking has come into pictures. The good institutes like Ferguson College is also having good NRF rank. If you are pursuing degree from the NRF rank, it is not, I'm not saying that NRF ranking institute, it will be have value to your career. So you have to just sort out which B.Ed college is having rank good. Why? Because their placement records, their teaching strategies, all those things, basic components are taught are very good. So choose B.Ed after undergraduates, and for mathematics, the science and mathematics methods are used in the BS, and there is common interest test for the admissions. Every year, the major notification comes, that is called CET for B.Ed. It is 2 years course. Now for the college teaching, after completion of your BSc or BA mathematics, you can do MA or MSc from the reputed university. I'll just explain reputed university or reputed institutes later on here, how to get admission on that. And after completion of MSc with 55% marks, that is B plus, one has to pass set-net examinations to get college job. And if you want to university teacher, then you must have PhD in that particular subject. Nowadays, university is asking for PhD to complete your net examination. SET is conducted by the state of Maharashtra, like particular state. So net is important in all aspects of the college teaching. So one can join. What I observed when I did my MSc, some of my colleagues were doing MSc from IITs, and like doing MSc to get pocket money, they have joined the private institutes, and the private institutes were offering very huge amount at that time, huge amount of that beyond their pocket money. So doing MSc, you can coach to students. You can coach to IIT, JEE, AIEEE, the aspiring students. You can join the institutes, or some bank exam coaching. Their quantitative mathematics is also involved. You have to just explain the tricks. And while doing study, if you teach such like subjects, you'll get rid of the mathematics of basics. So you can earn while learn by doing this. And after that, if it continues, you can join the professional teaching also. So competitive examinations, MPSC conducts examinations. I'm not going to explain anything about this MPSC, UPSC, but in UPSC, particularly Indian Statistical Service and this Combined Defense Service. This year notification has come, and the students who are studying in BSc third year with physics and mathematics can apply for this Combined Defense Service. He can join Army, he can join Navy, he can join Air Force after graduations, and you have age limit. But those students who have any gap in their lifespan for education, when he is in final year, he or she can apply for it. Recently, the notification has come, and I think 11 January is the last date, and exam is in month of April. So just go for this CDS. Once you qualify this, you have to appear for 5 days into, that is called SSB. Last, I think, mentioned. These are all other aspects that you might be knowing. So I'm not focusing on this. So okay. So beside that, people who are doing BSc might be thinking that from where I have to do the MSCs. MSc you can do from reputed university, NRF ranked institutes. You can do MSc from IITs. There are total 19 to 20 IITs in India, and all the IITs have jointly conduct the entrance to get admission of MSc. Total in all subjects, there are 2,500 vacancies. Mathematics, you can sort out how much each IIT is having. 20 to 40, near about averagely 20 vacancies for mathematics. So in this 19, some offers integrated MSc PhD, some offers just MSc, some institutes having MSc statistics, all are having physics, all are having maths. You can choose the life science also if you have life science course at your undergraduate levels. So there are 4 or 5 options. Even though you can have MA economics from IITs, MA or MSc, you can say you hear BSc is there, then you will get MSc in economics. And economic course is having huge demand. Once you do this course from IITs, you will get. But how to get admissions to IITs? Indian Institute of Technologies conducts the entrance. This year IIT Roorkee is conducting the entrance. The notification date has been over. It's in the month of those who are in second year, first year. Keep in mind, every year September, October, this notification comes into picture. We have to apply for it. You can apply for 2 subjects because it have 2 batches of exams, morning batch, evening batch. But we have to first select whether physics is in the morning and maths is evening, then we can choose physics maths. But physics and maths are in the same slot, then we cannot choose that. Fees for entrance fees for this is 1,500, and for to promote to empower the woman, the fees for girl student is 750. And if you are applying for two courses, you will get 1,050 rupees for girl students and 2,100 for boy students. And this girl students fee is also applicable to SC/ST candidates. And if you see the qualifying cutoffs of this mathematics, I feel that it is near about 22 to 26 marks every year. If you get qualified, if you didn't get IITs, you can choose NITs for MSc. Many NITs are offering MSc course also. Why you want to do the course at these reputed institutes? Because if some people wants to do higher research, higher studies in that, you have MSc level project, you can continue your project, you will get placement in that. So whatever you're doing, you should get place about that. That's why you have to choose to do good institutes to do MSc. So NITs, IITs, later on central universities, you give preference to IIScs, then IITs, then NITs, or before NIT you can choose Indian Statistical Institutes also. And Central University. Now from this year onwards, previously each Central University organizes the entrance separately. The students has to go and opt that. Now, like IITs, all Central Universities are conducting the common entrance test, CU, CET, call it as. So you can do MSc from Central University also. Central Universities also are the reputed institutes of India. So after doing this MSc, you can become a DRDO scientist. There are DRDO centers you can do. Students can do internship at this also doing study, or he can do join as the scientist C level to this DRDO department. One can become ISRO centers. There are following ISRO centers. This Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, LPSC, ISAC, SAC, NRSC. You can just visit and this, and every year will come to know that when notification comes and how to apply. But these institutes can be joined. These central government autonomous bodies you can join after your MSc, and they conduct the separate exam for that. You have to just keep track on the newspaper, especially Indian Express and Times of India notification comes. If you don't read these papers, you just go and searching day by day how notification comes, where it comes. It comes, then it has time. 1 month it is there to apply for it. But it is not fixed how to come. These are another unit of space research science. So one can become a research scholar from IUCAA, as many people from Pune University also join this course. So you can do from IUCAA PhD. So how to apply? The JEE SG exam is there every year. It comes in the month of May, and till August the admissions are completed. So you must have MSc for that, physics, electronics, astronomy. If you applied mathematics, or some engineering graduate students also can apply for this. But till August your degree should be valid. In addition, talented final year BSc students or first year MSc students or second year BA, BTech students, any branch can also apply for that. But how talented is defined, that I'm not going to explore. It depends on person to person how to decide about that. So if once you join IUCAA for research, you also have good career in that. After MSc, you have CSR NET exams. If you get JRF fellowship, then you have 35 to 40,000 scholarship to do research, and you can choose any good institute to do research. We have SRF after 3 years of completing your first PhD, you will get SRF. SRF is also a more fellowship. So 5 to 6 years you will get fellowship. And if your research is good, you will be hired by particular institutes. This JRF fellowship also gets some people who are doing PhD can opt the NBHM exam. MSc first year students also opt NBHM entrance. Many people might be giving this NBHM entrance. Once you qualified, you will get NBHM fellowship also doing that course. IIScs, IITs, TIFR, or any Indian university for doing PhD you can choose. Once if you don't get admission through JAM, through this GATE, through NBHM, or through CSR NET, or some IIT may conduct their own interview test or entrance test. From that, you will get the admission. If in the RBI, you can join as economical scientific officer. If you do, you have graduation with economics, statistics, and maths. or somebody do economics from IITs will have offer of that. But it depends on how many vacancies every year comes. Some banks are also offering research and development officers in mathematical finance as well as mathematical economics. So think about this economics course also in future. CA, ICWA, CS, ICWA exams, mathematics or statistics people can give. CA, I don't know, but ICWA is also equivalent to CA. Beside this, one actuarial science, London Society of Actuarials, London Actuarial Society conducts the exams. And if you get qualified that exams, here mathematics and accountancy statistics part is small. If you qualify this actuarial science course, it is also equivalent to your ICWA course. And many firms offering this actuarial officer post, where these people do these people works in the insurance. That is the probability of all those things, probable death of life, all those calculations are comes in these pictures, and good mathematics statistics background people can do these things. Just now I have told that Indian statistical institutes, you can do some courses from Indian statistical institutes like MSc in quality management system. Somebody do library and information science also from IITs like MSc computer science, MSc mathematics, MSc economics, MSc operation research. There are 3 Indian statistical institutes: Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, Bangalore, and Delhi. And while doing this postgraduate diploma course like statistical methods, you will get 3,000 fellowship, and postgraduate diploma in agricultural and rural management with SME will get 3,000 fellowship. Doing post-graduation course, you will get 8,000 fellowships, and for research, there is also fellowship. So these are also good institute to do work and will get place in good thing. SSB. SSB, if you want to join Indian Army, Indian Navy, or Air Force, Bhopal, Mysore, Bangalore. Every year in the month of December, the notification comes, and those students having physics and mathematics background can join this SSB interview. This is 5 days interview. If you get success in the first day, you have to do 5 days group discussion activities, all the tasks given by that persons. And if you complete with 5 days, there are many videos available on this SSB on net information, so you can do. The students having NCC background should do this SSB. If he is having C certificate, there is some sort of concessions to enter. So this is another path to enter in force Indian Army or in defense sector. So earlier I told you that we can become scientists in DRDO, in ISRO, National Air Force laboratories are there, National Chemical Laboratories. If you have BSc at chemistry, you can do career in that. IBM's Research and Development Department, Microsoft's Research and Development Department, CSIR Center for Mathematical Modeling and Computer Science. This autonomous institute is there of central government, and there are such 32 CSI research labs in India. But we have to search about all those things. So the software industry, the data interpretation, that is, I just told you in the last point that the data science career. The logical reasoning for CAT, research development, the Bangalore, Sankhya Consultancy Service, Bangalore. These are the posts: associate consultant recruitment at this Tech Mantu Digital Bangalore. TCS also hiring the fresh graduate students who is having physics, maths at undergraduate level. They have aptitude test, and they giving. The Wipro is also offering same kind of things, and with giving your MSc Computer Science degree. While studying, you will get degree, and they will teach you or train you what kind of work will be done in this industry. We'll have system analyst, we have data analyst in industry. If you go in MATLAB or GIS software, there are in Dehradun, the institute conducts the training program on this GIS. If you good enough to complete this course, or in CDAC also you can do this course. So GIS based are plenty of jobs are there for mathematics students. Infosys also have opportunity to fresher students, and some computational research laboratories in India. Beside this, these are the teaching industry that I want to focus in this talk. So at BYJU'S, in BYJU'S also we can just what are the positions available in the BYJU'S. I'll just explain you. In Vedantu, an academy is a foreign body. You can also join as a tutor or mentor for that. And you will not get huge package, but you will get well after MSc, immediate MSc, some pocket money you need, you get 15 to 25,000 salary from this Unacademy. If you are good, proper good YouTube creator, and if you have good huge number of followers, then from YouTube also, by preparing the constructive videos in the particular topic, you can earn from that. The photo math and check career, these are some people's higher, these are the private institutes. From the photo maths, some students like you just ask to solve the problems, and to getting solving problem will get 200 to $300 per week for the solving, and they have their own exam they conduct. At present also you can join this photo maths and check career. There are many other like that. Okay, these are just now, these are the screenshot of Byju's. Academics means, yeah, if you have teaching experience and if you are good in animation, so you can content videos. So academics jobs are there. You just click on this view jobs, you'll get all those. Then business development associates. For this, we need to do Master of Business Administrations in particular subjects to get this. This is brand marketing. Here also you get MBA. The content. Somebody, this Byju's also, they focus on content of the matter. Suppose some seventh standard mathematics you want to create content, you have to be careful while creating this content. So content writer is also one opportunity in this such institutes. Just visit the Byju's and career you will offer all this. Customer support, that this is just like when you call to customer care, like that, this is just customer care. And digital marketing, for this you need MBA course. Finance also you need MBA in finance. Human resources, there's HR positions, for that you need MBA. After that, okay, this I want to focus on mentoring. Mentoring also one kind of job. If you join as mentor, the students who have purchased the Byju's applications, weekly they will give a call. And if at any point students feels mentoring means not teaching, if some students or parent have called you regarding, you have to just discuss about that within 5 to 10 minutes. The concept, you have to make concept clear, particular concept clear, not word to word teaching. So as a mentor also you can join this Byju's and you have good package for this. And for mathematics you must have MSc mathematics. For physics you must have MS physics, or like that. For this operations course you need to do special business course, MBA course. So, and these are the last. Supply chain management is also vacancies. You can go on that Byju's website. In career options, you will get what kinds of jobs are there. So these are this is technical job, but this supply chain management you must have MBA with that. These are the Vedantu company hiring. The subject matter expert for 6 to 10 standard. It may be, now recently this is 6 to 10. It may be 10 to 12 also. If you are good in maths, you can join as a subject matter expert. If you are good at animations, you can create good animated videos. Then we can also have opportunity for that. The master teacher for 4th and 5th standard students, basic mathematics, science, you want to teach there, you can do it. Anybody can do this. UG students can also do this. Curriculum designer for particular standards. This will require a huge number of experts to design curriculum. When you are fresh, will not get rid of this. But what career should be done beside this government ICSE standard, CBSE standard? What should be taught to students? So that are called curriculum designer, and how to implement it. That all those things comes into this part. Master teachers for 1 to 3rd grade. Okay, this also is one, and class teacher for English 6 to 8 grade. So all those are vacancies in the Vedanta company. There are many others. So just now I told about that Master of Business course we have to do MBA. So MBA we have to choose good management institutes. After BSc we can do MBA in finance. You can do MBA in marketing. There are various MBA in operations management. There are various things. Finance is having scope, but many people are doing that. The marketing course, some doing operations is also. So good management is to selection of good management institutes. Again, go for the NIRF ranking of that institutes. The Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad is good. If you get admissions, you are lucky enough to this all those institutes. Xavier Labor Research Institute, Jamshedpur is there. Indian School of Business, Hyderabad is also offering MBA. Faculty of Management Studies, University of Delhi. These are all good ranked institutes. Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. SP Jain Management Studies, Mumbai. So where to do MSc just now, I told you that, but I'll repeat: Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Statistical Institutes, Tata Institutes of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. Okay, this GS 2021 exam just now over. So you have to opt in the month of August, and exam is in every December. To get MSc, integrated MSc after graduations, you can have the GS 2022. Now, at present, those who are in third year, they cannot opt for this. But first year, second year can think about future. The Chennai Mathematical Institute says good institutes. Many foreign students are comes here and studying here. This institute established in 1986, I think, and get autonomous status at 1994. And this is the highest institutes. It's not offering the just MSc mathematics course. It has physics also, chemistry also, computer science also. It offers data science course also. The Institute of Mathematical Science, Chennai. These are other institutes. HRI, Allahabad, Harichandra Research Institute offer research degree. Indian Statistical Institute, MSc Math you can do. National Institutes of Technology. There are plenty of National Institute of Technologies. Some central universities now they have common entrance test. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University, Agra offers industrial mathematics and computer applications. Your Ferguson College also offers this industrial mathematics course, and you can see the placement track of that. Gujarat University offers diploma in mathematical economics. If you want to some diploma, IIT Madras offers MTech in industrial mathematics and scientific computing after MSc. It is not after BSc. You have to get valid gate score. Pondicherry University offers MSc in functional mathematics. Rani Durga Devi Vishwavidyalaya offers MSc in mathematical economics. IIT Roorkee MSc industrial maths and informatics. Through JAM we get admission of this. Madurai Kamaraj University mathematical economics. Savitribai Phule University MSc Tech industrial mathematics with computer applications. Under Ferguson College also offering the same course. Okay, and beside this, we have just focus on the data science career. Nowadays, data science scientist becomes more opportunity. You should be good in mathematics as well as statistics course. And those students who are doing BSc, they can do external discourse from IIT Madras. You just go on see the IIT Madras website. IIT Madras offering the BSc in data science as well as MSc in data science or diploma in data science. So this is good opportunity, and placement track is also good. You know, you need not to go there, but you have to follow certain entrance, certain rules. They are verifying you for first 3 months, and then you'll get admission for that. Fee is also nominal for that. But if you think that next 5 years the data science career is becoming huge, what is data science? People do whatever data is. If some data is there, the data has to be analyzed. You have to think what is the trend of the data. Your Netflix also, Amazon also. Sometimes you search something on your Google, and automatically notification comes on that. That kind of thing, machine learning. Google page rank, mathematics is applied in this Google page rank. The mathematics is number 3 part is applied. So you might be thinking, you just think, or somebody talk about you, your mobile device captures that and it'll show the notification on that. These kinds of things are called machine learning. But there are lots of mathematics involved. If you do good machine learning courses, data scientist courses, blockchain management, these are not independent mathematics. You have to do support of some softwares, and softwares development, you should be good logic. And whenever you think in terms of logic, the mathematics, good mathematics, not just doing mathematics. If you do your study honestly, don't mug up mathematics, as Bapkar sir told you that. Don't mug up mathematics. Just try to understand. Don't by heart. If you forget, but try to understand. Your logic will be developed, and mathematics tells you the punctuality. Mathematics develops the punctuality amongst you. So with this, I conclude this session. And thanks very much that Vidyadhar Nalode and Manish Aglawe have invited to give talk in this one-day national workshop of applied mathematics and career opportunities. Thank you, Ferguson College, and thank you, the team ESG, RG Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Varanga. Thanks a lot.